My mom is in the market for a new refrigerator, and you can see with the layout of the kitchen the issue that there may be with the refrigerator. So, as you can see here, the handles are on the left side, which is common. The majority of refrigerators are designed that way, manufactured like that, and the hinge is on the right. And of course, this is a top freezer as opposed to like a French door where you have a big door on the left and the right. I prefer the top freezer ones because they're more efficient, better with energy, and they have less breakage. Because I can't tell you how many French door refrigerators I see with the compressor going out and everything else. These are made much better design-wise. But when you're cooking or you're making coffee, for years, we'd have to go like this, right? And then you'd have to walk around into the freezer. Same thing, of course, with the refrigerator, is you're going to have to like get up and then move your body and walk around. Well, the reason that most of them are manufactured like this and designed is because most people are right-handed. And so what you do is you open up the handle with your left, and then you use your dominant hand to pull out food. And so that's the one reason they design it. And it's just efficiency. When they manufacture them, they all want to make them all one way. So the solution is you can get a French door where the doors are dual, and it makes it a lot easier because they don't open wide out like that. But again, I don't like those kind of refrigerators because they break. So what you can do is at Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever major distributor refrigerators that you have, you can request them to have left hinged refrigerators where the handles are on the right. And you want to make sure that you request that you want both the freezer compartment and the fresh food compartment to both be that way, not just one side. You want both of them accessible, so that way my mom can open from here and then get access to her food. You can try to go to a smaller place, but most of them are not going to deal with it, or they're not going to have them. They're manufactured to, a lot of them are manufactured to where they can put the handles on either or in the hinges. But you want to make sure that they do it there and don't get it home and you do it yourself, because if you haven't done it before, it could be a hassle to do it. So order them, like say if you go to Lowe's or Home Depot, go ahead and request it and then automatically have them do it there before delivery. And there's several brands that will do it. You just look up reversible hinge handle refrigerators, top freezer. And there's multiple companies that'll do it, like LG will do it, Whirlpool, Kenmore, I think Frigidaire does, but there's several brands that'll do it for you. And it's well worth it, because you can see here with this kitchen design that over time it's a hassle if you're cooking or whatever to try to get access to your refrigerator and you have to move your whole body around. All right, let me know in the comment section if you have the same issue. And what you found online or what you found at Lowe's or Home Depot. I'd be very interested. All right, thanks for watching.